Has your GE dishwasher door lost a little bit of its spring over the years? Maybe it falls open or doesn't close as easily as it used to? Well, I'm going to show you how to replace this door pulley cable that helps pull the door back up into place. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The door pulley cable works with the door springs to balance the weight of the door, making it easy to close and open smoothly without slamming or dropping. Over time, the pulley cables can stretch, fray, or snap from regular use, causing the door to feel heavy, uneven, or lose its tension. If the door no longer opens or closes properly, replacing the pulley cables could restore smooth, controlled movement. On this model, the door spring connects to the pulley cable, which loops around the pulley hinge mounted on the friction washer before attaching to the dishwasher's door hinge assembly. These components are the same on both sides and can be installed on either side of the dishwasher. If you need to purchase a replacement door pulley cable for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Please remember to disconnect the appliance from power and water before beginning. For this repair, the dishwasher will need to be pulled out from under the counter. Before attempting, make sure you understand how your dishwasher is connected to power, the drain, and the water line. Every installation can be different, so check out our dishwasher removal video if you need help or clarification with your removal. Not fully understanding this process can lead to you potentially damaging your appliance or kitchen. With your dishwasher pulled out, locate the door pulley cable on each side of the dishwasher. Inspect each one to see which one is needing to be replaced. Usually they'll be broken, frayed, or stretched out. As you can see on this pulley cable and door spring that are in good working order, the pulley cable has tension on it even when the door is closed. Once you've identified the pulley cable in need of replacement, remove the pulley cable connector from the end of the spring and release the opposite end of the cable from the door of the dishwasher. Taking a closer look at how the pulley cable connects to the door, you can see that there is a plastic hub inside the large connector. The hub slides into the hook on the door's hinge and pivots as the cable moves when the door opens. While the dishwasher is pulled out, it is a good time to inspect the other door springs, the other pulley cable, the pulley hinge rollers, and the friction washers. Look for any signs of cracking, fraying, or excessive wear and replace any damaged parts as needed. These components are sold separately, so be sure to order the correct replacements. If you need a replacement door pulley cable, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones we sell at partsdoctor.com. We'll include a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact fit. To install the new door pulley cable, connect the plastic connector to the dishwasher door by sliding it into place. The metal hook on the hinge fits between the two outer sides of the plastic connector. Run the pulley cable around the door hinge roller and hook the pulley cable to the end of the door spring. If you need, you can use a pliers to pull the spring to reach the pulley cable. Check that there's proper tension on the spring and pulley cable. If you notice any slack, the spring may be stretched out and should be replaced. If everything looks good, hold the top of the dishwasher and slowly open the door to confirm that the cable moves smoothly around the hinge roller and the door operates properly. Reinstall your dishwasher and enjoy how smoothly the door opens and closes. And that's all for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.